Hello, today we will get the Laplace of u of t. So to get the Laplace of u of t, we will use the formula of Laplace. Laplace of f of t is equal to integral of e negative st f of t dt from 0 up to positive infinity. Now our f of t will be our u of t. The plus of u of t is equal to e negative st u of t dt 0 to positive infinity. So our u of t, it will only be our indicator that it is from the time domain up to frequency domain. So we will get the integral. The integral of e negative raised to negative st is equal to 1 over s e negative st limit to 0 up to positive infinity. We will substitute negative 1 over s e negative s. We will just substitute the infinity minus negative 1 over s e negative s. Substitute the 0 to the t. Okay. So how will we solve the s raised to infinity? So we have the equation negative 1 over s. The e will be similar to e, s up to infinity. So imagine that our infinity is a very large number and the e is raised to infinity. So if 1 is divided to infinity, it will divide the 1 to small particles, which will also be equal to up to 0. So that means that the value of this is equal to 0. That means that we will be multiplying 0 to negative 1 over s. That will make the equation 0. So it will be equal to 0. Now we have negative times negative 1 over s, e raised to negative s to 0. The equation here, it will be equal to 0. So any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. So negative 1 over s times 1 is equal to negative 1 over s. And then we have our negative sign. Cancel, that will be equal to 1 over s. That means the Laplace of u of t is equal to 1 over s.